Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I will be walking you through a step-by-step on how to create free ringtones on your Apple iPhone. This tutorial should work on any Apple devices. It's very easy steps, follow it, you won't have any issues. In order to do this, you would need three different applications. First one would be the tab browser, Ringtone Maker, and the GarageBand. GarageBand is very necessary and needed in order to complete this, so make sure you download that application as well. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be starting with the tab browser, and that tab browser allows us to download the ringtone or the song that we want to use to create the ringtone for the Apple device. So open up tab browser. Then we are going to be using YouTube as the source to download the song. So, and as you see, it is already added as a shortcut. So click on YouTube. Then we're going to be searching for a non-copyrighted music to create as a ringtone. So non-copyrighted music, and you can pick randomly if you want, or pick the specific ringtone that or song that you want to use. So I'm just going to pick random. As soon as you pick the song, it will give you the option to download, and that's what we want. So hit download. Then you're going to see on the bottom it says downloads is completed. Then we're going to go ahead and save this file to the device. As you see, it's already downloaded to the browser. You will see the name of the song on the bottom. You want to click on the three dots next to it and click on share. Then we're going to save the video. You want to click OK here. You can go ahead and skip the ad. Let's go back to the home screen. Then you want to go on photos. Then you will see the video that we just downloaded to the file, to the photos folder. Next, we want to open up Ringtone Maker. Click on Allow. You want to click on the plus sign on the bottom. Then we want to import from videos. Then select the video that we want to use. You can go ahead and wait for this ad. Then you can go ahead and close it out. Our next step is we're going to select that song and clip, so we can edit the length of the ringtone or the verse that we want to use. See that right there? You can choose where it ends from and that where to start from. I'm just going to randomly pick the seconds up to 45 seconds. Then you can do it as a fade in and pick how many seconds. With the fade, we're going to go with 2 seconds, and fade out, and you can pick up to how many seconds. We're going to do the 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Click on done on the top right corner once you are done with the edit. Then the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to hit on make. When you click on make, we're going to use the GarageBand application. It will open up this application. Then once you open up the app, tap on browse on the bottom right corner, select on the plus sign on the top, then select what we just edited on the other app. Left corner to import it, then we're going to create a ringtone. Click continue. Then you can go ahead and rename the ringtone to whatever you want. We're just going to name it as test 1. Once you are done, hit on export. Then when it will start exporting to the ringtone on your device. Once that is done, click OK. Then go back to the home screen. Then we're going to go to settings to check the ringtone and make sure it's working. Go to sounds, ringtone, then you will see it on the top of the list. And you can click on that and listen to it and see, make sure it's working. This is it, guys. This is the end of our video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.